What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between OPPO A3s and the VIVO Y83. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now OPPO A3s sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, while VIVO Y83 sports a MediaTek Helio P22 processor with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Purely based on benchmark scores, VIVO is better and you also get extra storage. So let's see how they perform side by side. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system, and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones, but for few applications, VIVO was faster than OPPO, at least by few milliseconds. So in the speed test, VIVO Y83 is the winner. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second, at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, Y83 was able to keep more apps in memory. Even in terms of overall responsiveness, VIVO was faster. Now memory management is good on OPPO, but it has just 2 GB of RAM, so it just couldn't keep more apps in memory. Anyway, in the memory management round, I'll pick VIVO as the winner. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones, so I'll call it as a tie. So guys, to conclude, in the speed test and memory management test, VIVO Y83 is the winner. Now if you're planning to buy any of these phones, I'll suggest you to buy the VIVO Y83 as it comes with more internal storage than OPPO. And in the long run, it's definitely going to make a huge difference. So out of these two phones, I'll definitely suggest you VIVO Y83. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.